In today's video, we will discuss why quarantine will kill your motorcycle. So stay tuned. Hi guys, once again, welcome back to Draft Project. Before anything else, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to keep you guys updated on my upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Quarantine will kill your motorcycle if you don't start your motorcycle at least once a week. Prevent the engine from rust buildup. If you start your motorcycle and let it heat up to its optimal temperature, it will remove any moisture inside the engine. Water-cooled motorcycle engine has a higher risk of corrosion when not used. The engine has too many ventilations where the cold air could pass through and condense. Thus, this will build up moisture. Also, it will keep the system lubricated, preventing it from rust buildup. Prevents the gaskets from cracks and deterioration. Heating up the engine causes the gaskets to expand. The heat of the engine retains the quality of the gasket, which makes them seals better and last longer. If you do not start your motorcycle and let it heat it up, the gaskets will crack, degrade, and become brittle due to its dormant condition. Prevent the battery from draining. It is the same with a car where the battery needs to be recharged. It will not be a problem if your motorcycle has a kickstart feature. But for those who doesn't have, especially big bikes, you will have problems in starting your motorcycle. Prevent the fuel from going bad. If you don't use or start your motorcycle, your fuel could go bad. Nowadays, gasolines are mixed with ethanol, which is a liquid that attracts water. If the motorcycle hasn't been used for a long time, the fuel system will degrade. The fuel will slowly attract water inside the fuel tank, which causes rust on the tank. If that happens, there will be sediments that will be filtered by the fuel filter and eventually clog up the filter. Also, if the fuel is contaminated by water, it will decrease its effectivity on the combustion cycle. But first, let me read the comments in my previous video. Okay, for the first comment is from Hazel Ramirez. Nice Dre, umi-English. Please also check my channel. Syempre lumilevel up. Salamat. Hazel Ramirez is a Filipino race car driver from Baguio City. She has a YouTube channel about racing, project cars review, and more awesome videos. Please check her YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe to her. Next comment is from Trisha Gicole. Galing! Support! Salamat sa suporta, Trisha. The third comment is from Andres Buenaventura. Great video, tons of good pieces of information. Keep it up, regards. I really appreciate your comment and yes, I will. Thank you very much. Next comment is from Nico Science. Useful and informative content, especially to those who has car on their own. Keep it up. Thank you, Nico Science. I'm really glad to hear that. Next comment is from Jarvis Lim. A shout out, bro, I love your Civic hatch. Keep on making vids. So don't worry, I will be making more videos about that Civic hatch. Thank you very much, bro. Here are the comments from my last video. I want to say thank you to these awesome people. Errol Fuse, Ian, Manny Francisco, Maria Lopez, and Josh Aureliano. Thank you very much for the support. Quarantine will kill your motorcycle if you don't use the center stand of your motorcycle. Prevent the tires from deformation and deflation. The weight of the motorcycle pushes the tires, which cause the quality to degrade and deflate. If your motorcycle is on a center stand, it won't have any issues on the tires. For most big bikes, this won't be applicable since they don't usually have a center stand. The best way is to move your motorcycle and let the tires roll. If you're allowed to go outside, then take it for a spin. Prevent the chains from drying. If your motorcycle is in a dormant position for a long time, the oil of the chains slowly dry up. In order to prevent that, activate your center stand and start your motorcycle. Put it in gear and let the chains roll. If you park it where there is no shade, be sure to put a cover so that the paint of your motorcycle won't be ruined by the sunlight. Any cover will do to prevent it from heat and dust. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching my video on why quarantine will kill your motorcycle. Consider sharing this to your friends and family if you find this helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to keep you guys updated on my upcoming videos. And once again, thank you very much and God bless.